Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to import people from CSV or from a CSV file in Copper CRM. All right, we actually have two ways. The first option is by going to our profile right here, click on Workspace Settings. Okay, wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and go to Manage Your Data right here in this panel. Click on Import. Okay, you can go ahead and click on Import People. There you go. Now here, as you can see, we have a ton of options, but for this specific video, we're going to select a CSV. Okay, so click on it. If you want to, you could go ahead and drag and drop, or just click on the Choose File button. And then here, just go ahead and find the specific CSV that you wanted to upload. Okay, for example, this one. Now, what I'm going to do is just make sure that it is highlighted and click on Open. Wait for it to load, and it will give you a review right here, or a preview of what's inside the CSV. Okay, and then here, if you want to exclude the first row, append tags, or ignore all unselected fields, you can go ahead and use these tick boxes. Okay, and once that's done, you'll have the Continue Import button in here. Just click on Continue, and then name this particular import. Okay, let's say People Import. Just go ahead and click on Submit Import. Wait for it. And it says here, import created. Your data is being imported. We'll send you an email when the import is complete. It may take up to a few hours for the import to run. Okay, in progress. Just hit on OK. Just basically wait for it, and you will have a summary of your past report or import right here. Okay, as it says here, success. No record was created because this data from this particular CSV or XLSX is a duplicate from what I have under here. Okay, but that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.